Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color Uncle Scrooge McDuck. We'll start with the face and draw the glasses on the beak first. If I'm drawing too fast for you, stop the video until you're as far along as I am. Then you can continue with the video again. Drawing the beak is a little more difficult because of the shape. But if you follow me step by step, you are guaranteed to succeed. Once you have finished drawing the upper part of the beak, the next step is to continue with the eyes. We'll draw two very large eyes. Next we draw a very large dollar sign in each eye. Then we draw the lower part of the beak. The beak is wide open. Now let's draw the shape of Scrooge McDuck's head. First we draw the area with the feathers on the left side of the face. Then we draw the area with the feathers on the right side of the face. Then we draw the area above the eyes. And finally we finish drawing the rest of the head shape. Finally we draw a very large hat on Scrooge McDuck's head. We start with the brim of the hat. Then we draw the crown of the hat. Before we color in our Scrooge McDuck, let's draw a few more feathers to the left and right of his face. Now I'll show you very quickly how I colored Uncle Scrooge McDuck. First I painted part of the hat in black, then I used a blue color for the rest. I painted the eyes in a light blue. Finally I painted the beak in a lighter and darker orange. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you again for the next one. See you soon.